how-to video on how to replace the inner tube on your bike tire. We'll be using it with this bike. Step 1 is to flip the bike over. We have already done that. Next step is to take the chain guard off, and for that you need a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. Look like this now, depending on what bike you're using. Next you need a ratchet and an end wrench. Once you have your nuts loose on each side of the tire, you're going to remove the chain and then take the tire off. Next you're going to use 2 flathead screwdrivers to pry the tire from the rim. Your tire should look like this. Depending color and size doesn't matter. Then you're going to pull the tube from the tire. The tire should look like this. Next you're going to install the new inner tube into the tire. Next you're going to remove the valve stem cap from the inner tube. Next you're going to put the valve stem through the rim and install the tube. You might need a flathead screwdriver to get the tire onto the rim. Once the tire and tube are installed, pull the valve stem out of the rim. The tire should now look like this. Now you want to install your rim onto your bike. Be sure to keep the sprocket on the same side as your pedal sprocket. Your bike should now look like this. Now install the chain. Is this working over here? Your bike should now look like this. Now be sure to center your back tire and tighten. Once you have your tire installed and the correct tension on your chain, then you can install your chain guard. It should now look like this. Now it's time to put air in your tires.